In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reports in Zendesk. Understanding your Zendesk data is crucial for measuring performance and optimizing your customer support workflow. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you understand how this can be achieved. First, let's start by accessing the reporting dashboard. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the reporting or analytics icon, which you'll find in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of tabs to choose from. These tabs include options like Overview, Leaderboards, Search, and, if you're on a Plus or Enterprise plan, Advanced Analytics. Each of these sections provides a different view or type of data that you may find useful. Next, let's explore how to use the built-in reports. Zendesk conveniently offers quick access to several key metrics that you can use to monitor your support operations. You'll find metrics like new versus solved tickets, backlog, first reply time, agent touches, and CSAT scores. To view these, simply click on the reporting icon again. You'll have the option to pick a date range, either from a preset selection or a custom range that spans up to 3 months. Once you have a date range selected, click on any key metric you're interested in, and you can even compare it with another. If you hover over the graphs, you'll get daily breakdowns, providing a granular view of the data. If you need more tailored reports, you can build custom reports through Analytics or Explore. To begin this process, click on New Report or New Query. You will then need to select a dataset, such as Support, Tickets, to build your queries around. Next, add the relevant metrics for your report. This could be things like tickets created or first reply time. You'll also have the ability to add attributes to better slice and view your data, like assignee or status, and you can apply filters to hone in on data from a specific time frame, like the last 30 days. Choose your preferred visualization, whether that's a bar graph, line chart, pie chart, or table. And when you're satisfied, make sure to click Save to keep your report handy for future use. For those on professional or enterprise plans, take advantage of advanced features and custom metrics to really dive deep into your data analysis. You'll have access to result metric calculations, which allow you to combine or compute different metrics. For instance, you might calculate something like average time multiplied by ticket count. There's also the Advanced Metric Editor, enabling even deeper customization of metrics and attributes. The next step is dashboarding and scheduling. You can combine your saved reports into comprehensive dashboards that offer a unified view of your data. Enhance your dashboards with filters and different layout options, and take it one step further by scheduling their delivery via email. Decide whether you want them sent daily, weekly, or on another cadence that suits your workflow. Finally, for exporting and external analysis, Zendesk allows you to export reports as either CSV or PDF directly from Analytics, perfect for sharing or archiving. If you need to conduct advanced analyses, consider extracting raw data via the Zendesk API. This data can then be visualized with more robust business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker Studio. And there you have it. Whether you're sticking with built-in reports or jumping into custom analytics, Zendesk provides a powerful suite of tools to generate the insights you need. Happy analyzing!